Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss linear equations in one variable class 8 CBSE. Today we're going to cover exercise 2.6 question 1 and question 2 in this video. So let's begin. If you are not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and ring your notification bell. Here I'm going to display question number 1 of exercise 2.6 for you. So here we have it. The question number 1 says 8x minus 3 by 3x equals to 2. So in this question, our main concept is to find out the value of x. So to find out the value of x, two things you need to remember, that is the cross multiplication and the transposing method, which you need to solve this sum. Alright, so now first step that we're going to do is the cross multiplication. If you are very well aware of cross multiplication, that will be quite easy. If not, I'm going to just explain it to you guys. So in the LHS part, we have 8x minus 3 by 3x, isn't it? So in the RHS part, what do we have, guys? Is equals to 2, isn't it? So what is 2? What do we have in the denominator place? That is very well 1, right? So what are we going to do is quite simple, guys. In this cross multiplication, the numerator of the LHS is going to be multiplied with the denominator of RHS. And the denominator of RHS is again going to be multiplied with the numerator of RHS part. Hope you guys got it. Basically, the numerator is going to be multiplied with the denominator is going to be multiplied with the numerator. That's the scenario. Alright. So now, when we have this cross multiplication, 8x minus 3 multiplied with 1 is nothing but 8x minus 3. Right? Again, let's go with the RHS part. So now 3x multiplied with 2 can be returned in the RHS part. Right? Now let's go forward and solve this. So the RHS part can be solved by saying 3 into 2, that is 6. So 6x is our answer in the RHS part. Now how do we solve this, guys? That's quite simple. We all know that we are going to transpose the variables to one side and all the constants to the other side. Since we know that 6x is an variable, we are going to transpose it towards the LHS, which is going to convert as minus 6x. And minus 3 is going to be transposed towards the RHS, which converts to positive 3. Alright. So guys, now when we do that, you can just subtract 8x minus 6x, that is 2x, and that is equals to positive 3, right? How are you going to solve this further, guys? That's quite simple. You can just transpose 2 towards your RHS, which converts to division. So 3 divided by 2 is your final answer for x, or it is the value for x, right? So guys, I hope that was quite interesting to solve with me. Let's move on to question number 2. Here I have question number 2 displayed for you. So question number 2 says 9x by 7 minus 6, that is equals to 15. So in this question also you have to be aware of cross multiplication as well as the transposing method. So now let us concentrate on cross multiplication. How we are going to do it? Let me just write down the question, guys. It is nothing but 9x divided by 7 minus 6x, isn't it? So that is equals to, in the RHS part, what do we have, guys? 15, right? So 15 denominator is 1. Now, as you know, guys, we're going to multiply the numerator with the denominator and the denominator with the numerator. So when we do that, 9x multiplied with 1 is nothing but 9x. That's how we got 9x in the LHS part. And 15 is multiplied with 9x, 7x minus 6x, isn't it? That's how we have got it in the RHS part. Now how do we solve this further, guys? It's quite simple. We're going to solve the brackets. So how are we going to do that is quite simple, guys. Just multiply 15 into 7. You get 105. and 15 into minus 6 is nothing but minus 90, and x is returned as it is. Now how do we go further? That's quite simple, through the transposing method, where all the variables will be transposed to one side and all the constants will be transposed to the other side, right? So as you guys can observe, minus 90x is an variable which will be transposed to the LHS part. So when it is transposed, it converts to plus 90x, and 105 is returned as it is in the RHS part. Now let us continue. How can we do that? 9x can be added with 90x, which is 99x, that will be equal to 105. Now, how can we solve this further, guys? That's quite simple. Just transpose 99 towards the RHS, which converts to division. So 105 divided by 99, when you go through the cancellation part, you'll get 35 divided by 33 as your final answer. So guys, I hope that was quite interesting to solve with me. If you really liked the video, do give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Do share my videos and do not forget to write a comment down in the comment box. Keep watching Chess Learn for more videos.